Good morning children. Welcome back to your computer class. In today's class we are going to the third lesson, that is parts of a computer. You all know what are the parts of computer. You all have different parts of body now. For example, eye, nose, mouth, ears, like that. Computer also have different parts. There are many parts, okay? So we are going to learn the different parts of computer. So a computer together with all its parts has its own function, and together all together of the parts of computer form a computer system. Without one part of it we cannot use the computer, okay? Every part is important. So let's see what are the parts. See the picture. First one in blue color, it says flat panel display. It's also called a monitor. Okay. Next one, central processing unit, CPU. Its short form is CPU, central processing unit. Next down one, printer, output device. Speaker, output device. And keyboard, input device. Mouse, input device. Okay. Now let's see one by one. First one is monitor. I look like a television screen. I stand for VDU, full form visual display unit. So we see the televisions also same like this na. We watch movies, cartoons and different things. Same thing in this monitor also we can see the different things through the monitor. Next one is a keyboard. I am used for typing letters, numbers, words and special symbols. I am having many keys. Have you seen the keyboard? Did you see how many keys are there? So we can move the things. We can type many letters, numbers and give space and different things. Different keys are there. Next one is a CPU. What is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. So let's see what is the use of it. I stand for Central Processing Unit. I am the brain of the computer. I control all the functions of a computer. So what is the brain of the computer? CPU. It stores all the things that we are working in the computer. It stores, okay? And it is the one which functions in the whole computer. So if CPU is not working, we cannot work in the computer. Next one is a hard disk. Hard disk, I am the internal storage of a computer. Internal storage, it will be inside the computer. So it will store all the things that is in the computer. Next one is a mouse. Mouse, I am used to point, move and select an item for the monitor. You know what is the use of mouse? So we can move the cursor here and there with the help of mouse and select the things, and mouse is used for that. And let's see the parts of the mouse. See, it has two buttons, left and right, and scroll button in between. Okay, you can see now there are two buttons, right and left, and a scroll button. The left and right button helps in selecting or opening an item. Right and left button helps to select or open the item. The scroll button is like a wheel. It helps in moving up and down across a page in the document. So the scroll button, middle button is called a scroll button. It helps to move up and down. Next one, clicking the mouse once is called a single click, while clicking it twice in quick session is called a double click. So when we click once, it is a single click. When we click it double, it is called double click. Both single click and double click is important. To hold the mouse, keep palm on the base of the mouse, thumb on the left side of the mouse, index finger on the left mouse button and middle finger on the right mouse button. So see the picture how they are catching the mouse. Okay, so you have to keep the palm on the mouse and the index finger on the left button, middle finger on the right button, and thumb we have to hold the mouse. Okay, now you learn how to use a mouse. Next is a printer. I am used to print the colorful text or picture on the paper. I am of various types like dot matrix printer, laser printer, inkjet printer, etc. So there are different kinds of printers. The papers which I print are called hard copies, whereas when stored inside the computer is known as soft copy. When we type and save in the computer, it is called a soft copy. But after typing, when we take print out, it is called a hard copy. Okay, next one is speakers. You know what is speakers is used. Okay, I am using music and sounds stored in the computer. Next one is a CD drive. I help people to see videos, movies and listen to music through CD. You all know CD or DVD, na? So this. Next one is a microphone. I am used to record the video on the computer and also to talk on the internet. So you know why microphone is used in order to talk. Okay. Now you saw the different devices, na? Many parts of computer. So it is also divided into two types, input device and output devices. Input devices is used to give data and instructions to the computer. As you already saw, some of the input devices like mouse, keyboard, microphone, CD-ROM, etc. Now output device is, okay, output devices are used to show the work that was done and display it. And the output devices are like a monitor, printer, speaker, like that, etc. Okay, did you understand? In the activities they have given the pictures and see what they have asked and complete the activities. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.